Decided to move your investments to another firm or simply close an account? If you're worried about making a costly mistake during the process, you're not alone. Today, we're closing or transferring a Fidelity account the safe way. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. You have two main options: transfer the entire account to another brokerage or liquidate and close it. Option 1. Transfer to another brokerage. The cleanest method is an ACAT transfer. Initiate this from your new brokerage. They will pull the assets from Fidelity. This avoids selling and potential tax consequences. Option 2. Liquidate and close. If you want to cash out, sell all your positions first. Once the cash settles, in 2 business days, you can withdraw the funds and then request to close the account via Fidelity's secure message center. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: initiate transfers from the receiving firm, not from Fidelity. This is the golden rule of account transfers. Always start the process at the new brokerage where you want the assets to end up. They have the incentive to make the transfer smooth and will handle most of the work. So, just like that, you can move on from Fidelity without headaches or unintended tax bills. A proper transfer process goes a long way in preserving your investment value. Now I'm curious, what was the main reason for deciding to transfer or close your Fidelity account? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.